produced by SmartPix. Today, as we gather to explore the fascinating world of SmartPix digital board. What's special about this digital smart board is it comes with 65 inches flat screen with 4K UHD and 48 megapixel inbuilt HD camera and 8 array mic. This interactive flat panel monitor is 3840/2160 pixel, which is 4K and latest version. First, now let's talk about body features here. Here you can see the body is a metallic alloy frame with active heat dissipation with 4mm toughened glasses. And you will get the multiple ports are here in the front side of the panel and the back side of the panel as well. The ports are USB, USB 3.0, touch cable, HDMI, Type-C with a power button. Apart from this, you will get the 2 speaker here, the 2021 2 speakers for surrounding sound system, and it comes with stylus. This stylus pane you can use front side as well and the back side as well. And this stylus pane you can use for the writing purposes. Second here, let's talk about the internal functions. Here you can see the menu dock, and this menu dock is available left hand side and the right hand side as well. And another one is in the panel as well. Let's talk about the shortcut tools. In the shortcut tools, you will get more tools like Ethernet, hotspot, Wi-Fi, vision gear, power off, restart, curtains and spotlights. Here you can see the sidebar as well for the sound and for the display. Here you can increase or decrease the sound and you can increase or decrease the display, that is brightness. These are the applications. Some applications are inbuilt application and some applications are you can download from Play Store. Let's talk about the settings here. In the settings, there are network status. You can connect Wi-Fi, Ethernet, hotspot. In general, custom options are there. That means you can customize the wallpaper. Sound options are there. Sound is adjustable. Display, you can adjust the display as well, like the image mode, standard, bright, green and custom. Gesture interaction and screen recording. In the screen recording system, you are able to record whole screen. The screen record resolution is HD and Full HD. And in sound source, media sound, microphone sound and media plus microphone sound. In a screen recording, time limit is as per your like 0 up to 120. You can adjust according to your. Another one is a device. You can connect Bluetooth, printer, microphone and camera. In system, you will get date and time, language and input, power status, system update, system security and above. Here you can see the device name, that is a IFP60EF. Running memory is 8 GB, storage space is a 128 GB. The resolution is a 4K, Android 14 version, that is the latest version we have. CPU core is 8 and GPU core is 4. So let's talk about the more applications. In the more applications, you will get the Play Store. In the Play Store, you can download any 3D applications, any applications that you want. Another one is a camera. It has a motion tracking system. It tracks your voice and the motion as well. Like that. Apart from that, you can see here the multiple applications. WPS for PDF, you can open PDF, PPT, extension, whatever you want. Calculator, gallery, file manager, whiteboard, screen recorder, Chrome, Play Store. This interactive panel has ability to run multi-screen like that. If I'm opening then the WPS software for the PPT reference, I want the whiteboard software, the anti-Chrome. you can able to use multiple applications at the same time. Like that. Now let's talk about the most important and most usable applications of this panel, which is whiteboard software. In the whiteboard software, you can see here the many icons. Let's see this 3-line menu dock. Here you can see the options. First option is a new options. That means if you want to create something new, you can click it. Another one is open options. You can open any type of PDF, PPT, Excel sheet. Next one is a save options. You can save file format by the form of PDF and images. Save as option is the same as save options. Upload to cloud. In that upload to cloud, you can open your Google Drive and OneDrive account and select the format as per your need, like PNG, PDF. The scan options. Whatever the work you have done, you want to send to your mobile. So you have to scan the QR code and it will go to their mobile through by the PDF form. Email. You can open your email as well. Next option is a setting options. In that setting, you will see the background settings. In the background settings, you are able to change the color. There are many color options. After that, you can see the grid options. The square grid, thin grid, dotted grid and mixed grid. There are many options you can see there. After that, you can see the custom options. If you want to customize your logo, if you want to customize your background as per your need, you can do that. Next option is the pages options. You can add 256 pages by clicking this plus sign option. After that, you can see the partition option. There are 3 types of partitions: 2 sides, 3 sides and 4 sides. This partition is designed for multiple users at the same time. Next one is the writing purpose. For the writing purpose, I'm using this stylus pen. There are 2 parts. First is a thin one, second is a thick one. From the color changing, you can see here the color changing options. You can change the color as per your need. But here I want in the thick one blue color and in the thin one black. You can see here thin one and thick. You can increase or decrease the thickness as per your need. And here you can see the pen options. There are 5 types of pen. First is a normal pen, second is a brush pen, third is an ink pen, fourth pen that change your font. We can call it text recognition pen. Fifth pen is a shape recognition pen. Let's see the text recognition pen. Here I'm writing on my own handwriting, right? Like Smart Pixel. It will change the font. This is the text recognition pen. Let's see the shape recognition pen. Shape recognition pen, like if I draw any type of circle, it will convert it into a perfect circle. Any type of triangle, it will convert it into a perfect triangle. This is called as a shape recognition pen. Next option is an erase option. So there are 4 types of eraser. First is a palm eraser. You can use your palm like a duster. Next option, you can use this stylus pen. Next option, you have to just select that particular area and it will erase. Fourth option, clear all. Third option is a select option. You can select any type of word, any type of thing over here. Next option is a shape options. We have 2 types of shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So what you have to do here, you have to just click on the 2D shapes and drag it. Click on shape and drag. Click on the 3D shape. Drag. Click and drag. So these are the shapes options you will get here. Next one, you can see here the plus sign. In that plus sign, you will get many icons. So let's see one by one. First icons is that file list. whatever the pictures you have saved, whatever the file you have saved, if you want to open that, you have to just click on that pictures and click on plus sign. It will go directly into your whiteboard software. Next one is a table options. You can select any type of table you want, like this table I'm selecting. You have to just select option. You have to just click on select option. You can put anywhere on the board. If you want to insert the column and if you want to insert the row, there are the options. First option is this one. You will get 3 options like insert column from left, insert column from right, delete column. So I want from right. These are the rows options you will get. Insert row above, insert row below and delete below. I want the above one. So this is your table. So the special thing about this one, if I'm writing on this table, whatever I'm writing, the table will adjust. Whatever and whenever I'm writing, the table will adjust itself. Another one option here is a geometry set. 5 types of geometry shapes. So welcome to this one. This is the projector. I want the 90-degree angle. So what I have to do, like just click on this one. Click on a 90-degree, exact 90-degree. Here you can able to track it, like this is the 90-degree basically. There are 3 angles you will get. First is this one, second is arc, and third is angle. Next one you will get this projector. These geometrical sets you will get here. Another one is a ports option. These are the connectivity options. If you want to switch the laptop through HDMI, you can directly switch. Next option is a mind map options. Here you can, like if I'm writing here actually, there are the parts like primary, secondary and tertiary. If I want, I can add that table as well. Another columns. You can add as per your need. Next option is a WPS options. Whatever the PDF and PPT you have been shared, if you want to open directly on that board, you can directly do that. Next option is a video options. Basically, recent there is no video, but if you want to open any type of video like a YouTube video or the screen recording, you are able to do that. Next option here is web search. Here you can able to search anything, any type of topic over here. You can adjust it as well. Like if you want the minimum one, if you want the maximum one, you can adjust as per your need. Next option here is a poll kit option. In that poll kit options, you will get the voting subject. So what you have to do, you can write any type of voting subject over here. There are 2 options. You can give the options. Then it will generate the QR code. So user has to scan the QR code and whatever option they select, they can select that option easily. And in the next step, you will get all the answers over here. Next option is a stopwatch. For the stopwatch, you have to set a particular time. For example, I'm setting the 3 hours for the subject, for each subject. After 3 hours, it will automatically sound up. There's also one thing I want to show you, like if I'm writing anything like heart and I want to select that word, there are options, color options. You can change the color accordingly. Next option is a search option. You can directly search that particular word. Here you can see all these things like these images you can see over here. I want this image on my board. So I have to just click on this image for 3 seconds. Not a drag, not a copy paste. So I have to just click on 3 seconds. That image, it will directly go to my whiteboard software. You can see. You can maximize or minimize the size as well. There are clone options also. There are an option that is you can annotate that image as well, like that. easily. The next option is undo and read. Suppose I'm writing anything over here and erase it. So there are options. Next option is the finger gesture option. So this finger gesture option is known as zoom in and zoom out for the sizing. I'll show you. If I'm writing anything, I can zoom out and zoom in as well. This gesture option is for a multi-touch. This gesture option is for the multi-touch points. That means 20 people can touch or write anything at a single time. I'll show you. This was the complete information about the Bytecode software features. Now let's talk about the inbuilt camera. In more application, you can see the camera function. Here you can see the inbuilt camera. So basically, what's special about this one? It has a motion tracking and voice recognition. I'll show you. If I'm moving towards there, the camera will track me.
Okay.
See this. And also at the same time, the camera will recognize my voice as well, like this. This was the information about the upgraded inbuilt camera. So let's talk about the last and least application, that is a TransScreen application. The TransScreen application is used for the casting devices, but you have to connect the same Wi-Fi network for all the devices. But you can see here the IP address. With the help of that IP address, you can do the mirror casting as well without any type of wire connection and Wi-Fi. So this was the phone casting. I'll show you how it happens. Firstly, you have to scan the QR code over here.
Now you
Then
can see.
your phone screen, you can see here. I have casted my phone. I'm going to show you the YouTube videos.
Digital Board is produced by SmartPixel. Today, as we gather to explore a fascinating world of SmartPixel Digital Board. In this digital age where technology continues to redefine the way we communicate, learn and collaborate, SmartPixel Interactive Flat Panel stands at the forefront.
So this was the casting. You can do the same process to the tablets and laptops and computers as well. This was the complete information about the SmartPixel Interactive Flat Panel. For more information, please visit our website, book a live demo session. For complete transparency, please do like, share and subscribe for more updated videos like this.